All right, we are on scene here in Tampa, downtown Tampa. We're going to take a quick look. We've got a building. It's a parking garage on the second floor. We're going to look at this scupper. If you look, we're going to see all the damage. So what they have is obviously some structural damage getting ready to happen while it's in the process of happening. But there's the conductor head. And if you look, you got the ferns, telltale sign of long-term moisture. You got ferns coming out of the window. If you look down, the whole area, you have the facade of the building breaking down. There's the old 6-inch cast iron pipe. You see all the damage on the brick. The old downspout is rusted. It looks swollen from being full for years and years. So this all could have been avoided with some simple maintenance. So folks, the key is call Pat the Gutter Rat. He'll take care of it.